Maintenance is important on all air conditioning, including Mitsubishi systems, ductless or ducted. Mitsubishi systems require an annual maintenance to keep them in top shape so that you can maintain the longevity of the equipment and get your maximum efficiency from it. Mitsubishi air conditioning units are very advanced. They're complicated pieces of machinery, and they can be difficult to disassemble and reassemble correctly. I would not let a normal run-of-the-mill HVAC tech work on a Mitsubishi system because they typically have never experienced one and don't know how to get it apart and back together. Our technicians, because they do this regularly, are very good at the maintenance and are able to do it within an hour. When we arrive at your home to maintain your equipment, we will disassemble the indoor unit and inspect it. We will then take the internal components outside and wash them with a pressure washer. We will then carefully reassemble the equipment and test operation. We offer a maintenance plan on every installation.